ask you something. Have you ever scanned a document and then a week later you have no idea where it went? And then your phone ends up with file names like scan001, scan001 final, scan001 final really this time. And now the document you actually need is buried somewhere in there. Hi, my name is Drake, and you are on the iScanner YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about smart file organization and search within the iScanner app, and how you can turn your phone into a fully searchable filing cabinet. And the bonus is that it's also portable. Now, most people think scanning apps are all about just scanning documents, but capturing documents is actually the easy part. The real challenge comes later, which is finding the document when you actually need it. Think about how many different things you scan. Receipts, contracts, IDs, forms, bills, notes, you name it. And within a few weeks, your phone becomes a pile of digital paperwork. Really not much better than your rusty old filing cabinet you have in the corner. And that's exactly what smart organization within iScanner is designed to fix. So let's dive deeper into how it works. iScanner lets you organize documents into folders. You can do this based on name or category. But here's a pro tip that will really change how fast you can find things later. Instead of just organizing files by category, organize by context. And what I mean is based on when you'll actually need the document. And this comes from the GTD method, getting things done. So instead of creating folders just for documents and receipts, you can create folders for things like tax-related tasks, documents for renting a home, insurance requirements, things like that. Home repairs, Lego instruction manuals by year. Now you're not just storing documents, you're arranging them based around real-life situations. This makes retrieval way faster. So now, during tax season, all you have to do is type tax-related documents or tax docs. Because then you're thinking in the mindset of, where do I find this? What do I search for? What do I need right now? And over time, this creates a system that works with how you actually think. So organize based on how you think, and then iScanner becomes even more powerful for you. And here's an underrated feature most people overlook: auto naming. When you scan a file or a document in iScanner, the app will automatically suggest a relevant name for the file. So instead of manually renaming every single thing that you scan, you instantly will get something meaningful and searchable. You do need to turn this feature on manually under settings first, but once it's on, it saves a ton of time. And if you scan a lot of similar documents, you can even create a naming template, which keeps things very consistent. So instead of chaos, you get a nice and clean structured system without any extra effort. Seriously, did you throw that box away yet? Go throw that box away, we'll wait. Now this is where everything comes together. Search. Where's my magnifying glass?
Oh, I have glasses.
Oh, they're dirty. iScanner uses OCR to recognize text inside of your documents. This means optimal character recognition. Anyway, so you aren't just searching for file names, you're searching for content inside the documents. Type a word like lease, insurance, and it pulls it up instantly. But it doesn't stop there, you can also filter your results. For example, shared documents, large files, and signed documents. You can star important documents so they're always easy to find. So instead of scrolling endlessly, you're narrowing things down within seconds. And again, this turns your document collection into something much more closer to a searchable system. And not just storage. Here's an example. Let's say you're applying for an apartment, and they need to ask for the typical things like ID, proof of income, tax statement. If all of those things are physical, you better A, hope you have them all on your person, and B, know how to find them. That's a stressful search. But if everything is scanned and organized, you just open iScanner, search tax, and there it is. Search ID, and there it is. Within seconds, you can find and send everything from your phone. You don't need more than this if you do it right. But here's the bigger idea. Your brain is actually pretty terrible at remembering where things are physically. Think about it. You drive your car every single day, or you use your wallet every single day, and these are the two most common things people lose. But your brain is very good at remembering words, and that's why searchable documents work so well. Instead of remembering where something is, you just have to remember what it's called. A lot easier, right? And it's right here. Instead of drawers full of paperwork, you have something much simpler: clean, searchable digital archive. So if you've been using scanning apps just to scan documents, you're missing half the power. OCR and smart organization in iScanner, your phone becomes so much more than just a scanner. It really does become a portable filing cabinet. And once you start using it this way, I promise you won't ever go back. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more iScanner tips. Bye for now.